Besties, this video is long overdue. I am so sorry that it took so long for me to come back and update you all. But a lot has transpired since I packed up and I moved to my sister's house. So without further ado, we're gonna get right into it. So guess what came in the mail like a month ago? I know, a month ago. But I'm super excited. So it took about 6 weeks for my past pieces to come. And I wanted to open it with y'all because I still haven't went and got my visa to Vietnam yet. But I'm going to do that tomorrow. And I'll drop the visa information below. But I'm super excited to have my passport. I know my picture look crazy. Every time I get a passport, my picture just looks crazy, y'all. Like, yeah. I will show y'all. I'm going to just show y'all the top. I'm going to just show y'all what the top look like. That's what the top look like. Okay, that's what the top look like. Okay, fresh passport, new stamps. Yeah. So it took about 6 weeks for this passport to come, and honestly, I've been dragging on this channel a little bit because my mind has kind of sort of changed. When I first started this channel, I just knew that one, I was going to help girl moms, and two, that I was moving to Vietnam and that I was just going to vlog the experience. Well, my other brand on my other channel has started to like take off, and I'm super excited because this is where my heart at. And right now, business is a little slower than usual with the economy. And you know, I pray and I talk to my therapist, and I haven't talked to my sister just yet, who I live with, but I think I'm just gonna go to Vietnam for about a month or two and just do a simple clarity check trip, just to get my mind right, because I've given up everything. I've given up my crib, not everything, I'm not gonna be that dramatic, but I moved out my crib, I sold my designer, and I'm gonna do a video about how much the real cut me. But yeah, and then I was just in a place of confusion. Like these last 3 weeks, y'all, I've been crying. I've gained like 10 pounds because I've been stress eating. Like, it's so crazy, but I'm grateful. I'm grateful. Like, I just been asking God for direction because I know at the end of the day, my heart is in Vietnam. Like, that's why I want to go. But sometimes you just have to pause and say, is it time yet? Like, time is going to catch up, but is it time yet? Am I rushing? Is this FOMO? Or do you need to sit down and continue to get your ducks in a row before you just up and leave? So I just didn't want to up and leave, and I got my daughter and everything's not right. So in this clarity trip, I am going to go visit some schools. I am going to be looking at some apartments. I'm going to be doing a lot in this month. I'm going to be doing apartment tours, and I'm going to be looking at schools, and I'm going to just be looking at places that I can potentially stay when I decide to move, which I'm planning like maybe another 9 months. Everything should be back. You know, the business should be back to where it needs to be. We're working on a branding thing. So I'm just super excited. But I just wanted to come up and just come on here and just catch y'all up. Yes, my passport came. Yes, the real cut me a check. But it's not enough right now to be abroad and scrap for cash, honestly. Like, I'm not going to be able to scrap for cash because it's like my savings is cool, but I've been dipping in my savings, you know what I mean? It's just a lot. It's just a lot when you're a single mom, and it's like, if I didn't have a daughter, I probably would have been like, so what? I'll figure it out. And I can do so what? I'll figure it out now, but I'm just like, I don't want to have to go through that with my toddler with me, you know what I mean? So yeah, but I'm still happy. I didn't cancel my trip. I still have a one-way planned, and I'm gonna get the return flight. I just don't know when I'm coming back. I don't know if it's gonna be, like I said, a month or two, but I will be back, back better than ever. Because when I say this whole situation been giving me anxiety, like as of lately, I've been having like sharp little pains in my chest, and I'm like, man, I can't be really stressed out like that. Like, your girl has really been kind of stressed. Like, I'm not even gonna hold you. We're just making a decision, because the thing about it is, one thing about me, if I say I'm gonna do something, I'm gonna do it. Like, I don't care what the situation is. And it's like, for me to have to go back on my word, I was feeling some type of way. But one thing I had to remember is that my mentor always told me that the mind can change. And it's not a no, it's just a not right now. You know, I don't think I'm prepared right now to live abroad. Like, one, the bag gotta be secured. Like, okay, you got a savings, but once your savings start getting low, what are you gonna do? You know what I mean? Content creation, of course, is my goal. I would love to be making big money from, YouTube or whatever, but the time hasn't just come yet, or Instagram or Facebook. Like, I'm monetized. Excuse me. I'm monetized on my Facebook, but I'm not getting big checks yet. My checks be like $150, stuff like that. But it's coming, it's coming, baby steps. And I'm moving on God's timing. Like, at first I was just moving. I'm just like, forget it, I'm finna just leave. But then I had to sit down with myself and say, it's not time yet, Mo. Your time is coming, but it's not yet. You know what I mean? So, I don't know who needs to hear this, but your time is coming. It's just not right now. It's just a no for not right now. That's it. Like, your time is on its way, and be patient. And I think that we have to learn to just start falling in love with the process. Like, I did fall in love with the process of just moving, showing myself I wasn't attached to anything. Like, I'm not attached to nothing that's not attached to me, right? So I'm super excited to even go within and know to go within to figure this whole thing out. But I can tell you that I will be vlogging the whole trip of Vietnam, y'all. I'm going to be vlogging. Like, I'm gonna put out a video. My goal is to do a video every day for 30 days. Give y'all content of me being in Vietnam for sure. So yeah, that's all I got. That's all I got. And then I'm gonna do a video before I leave for Vietnam to show y'all what the real paid me for my designer items, because I can't wait to do that video, because yeah, I got something to say about the real. But other than that, besties, thank y'all so much for just being here, letting me be vulnerable, letting y'all know what's been going on, what's been on my mind. I told myself I have to get this video out because today is April 6th, and it's important that I record this, because May 6th is when I leave for Vietnam. So yeah, I'll talk to y'all later, besties. Y'all have a good day. Peace.